I am overweight. I will start a diet. We must lose fat. This is my strict plan. I will never give up.
Look at my strong dad. He has great willpower. I will help him. You lack discipline. Just watch him. You only talk. We will see.
Lunch is ready. Let's eat.
This chicken looks dry, but I am eating healthy. It is good for me. I love this green salad. It tastes amazing. I feel energetic.
You are doing great. I admire you.
Join me now. You will feel better.
You are chewing slowly. It seems very hard.
Drink some water. Do not choke on it. Take your time.
I am completely fine. This is my new life.
I will eat this too. Vegetables are healthy. I am not hungry. Eat your carrots. Do not lie. Leave me alone. I enjoy this. My stomach is growling. I cannot sleep. I need some food. I will sneak down. The kitchen is calling. I must step carefully. These toys are everywhere. I hate them. This roll is cold. But it tastes delicious. I am eating fast. I feel much better. The hunger is completely gone. Shh, walk softly.
Okay, here we go. Shh. The coast is clear. I am starving tonight. I need a sausage. The light is blinding. I found the meat. This is my secret. I wipe my mouth fast. I left no messy traces. My stomach is full. I will sleep well. The diet continues.
The rolls disappeared. The sausages are missing. Do we have a thief? Did you eat them? Tell the truth.
I did not touch them. We have mice.
Mice are smart now. They peel sausages fast. They took the meat.
That is ridiculous. Mice cannot do that.
You both look guilty.
Yeah.
I do not believe this. You are acting weird.
I am very disciplined. I only ate vegetables.
He is a good leader. He never breaks rules.
I will watch closely. I will set a trap. The thief will pay.
We will catch the mouse. Do not worry.
I will help you. The mouse is sneaky. The mouse wears clothes. It also reads newspapers. This is funny.
Stop making jokes. I am reading news.
She is just jealous. We have strong wills.
Finish your breakfast now. We must go to work soon.
I am eating my salad. It is very fresh. I feel fantastic.
I I will eat carrots. They make my eyes bright. They taste great.
You are a good kid. Keep eating healthy.
You are a great dad. We are a team. I am starving again. I must find some food. You are eating meat.
You broke your vow. You lied to us.
Sit down right here.
I have 2 ramen packs.
Ooh,
We will share them.
this is a great idea. We are partners now.
We are a secret team. Let us cook the food.
This soup is hot. It tastes like heaven. I am so happy.
You are eating loudly. Please chew quietly.
I will be careful. The noodles are yummy. I want some more.
2 ramen packs disappeared. This is getting weird. The mouse cooks? They expired yesterday. I threw them away.
You are a good girl. You protected us.
I do not believe you. You are acting strange. This is a big lie.
I am telling the truth. I cleaned the kitchen.
She is a good helper. Do not blame her.
I will buy more food. I will hide it well. This is frustrating.
Lola is missing again. She left her bed. I must find her. They are making noises. I will catch them now. They are cheating the diet. I will call Mom. They are in trouble.
I told a great lie. The chicken dropped it. Mom believed me. I am smart.
You are a genius. This egg is delicious.
We are the best team. Eat your sausage.
Wake up right now, Mom. Look at the kitchen. You will be surprised.
What is going on? Why is the light on? I am so sleepy. Look at this mess. You both lied to me. The mystery is solved.
I can explain everything.
I was sleepwalking. It is true.
My eyes were closed. I was dreaming.
You guys look hilarious. Your faces are pale. The diet is a joke.
This is too funny. You look so guilty. You cannot hide it.
We are very sorry. We were extremely hungry.
We will not lie again. Please forgive us.
You must clean the house. That is your punishment. Put on your gear.
This is a hard workout. I am burning fat. The floor is clean.
There are so many cobwebs on the wall. I hate sweeping now.
Keep scrubbing the floor. We must pay the price. We will finish soon.
Weight loss requires balance. You must eat properly. Do not starve. Here is real food. It has good vitamins.
This fish looks great. Thank you so much.
I love this meal. I am very hungry.
The fish tastes amazing. I feel very strong. Real food is better.
I will never skip meals. This food is delicious.
We learned a good lesson. Honesty is the best.
Let us eat together.